Hey guys, so today I'm gonna be trying to make Swedish pancakes. Special effects here, put flag maybe, like put IKEA or whatever. So actually I didn't really know what to make for today's video, but luckily a viewer came up to me and said, why don't you make some Swedish pancakes? So if you're that viewer, thanks very much for the idea, and this video is for you. Not for you but for the viewers as well, but this video wouldn't happen because of you, so thank you very much. So Swedish pancakes are very different from American pancakes, and they are very different from crêpes as well. They are from Sweden. So as usual, before we begin, here are the ingredients that we will need for today. 3 eggs. I cracked one of them, cracked very badly, but 2 of them was good looking, so 3 eggs. You need milk as well, very nice milk. Once again, all-purpose flour, very purposeful flour. You need 3/4 cups of that. 1 tablespoon white sugar and half a teaspoon of salt. This one you just adjust to your taste, I think. And 1 tablespoon of butter. Not very much ingredients, so let's get cooking. Okay, I think this is going to be very simple. Okay, so first we're going to take our flour. By the way, this is not a tutorial. Okay, I repeat this at every video. This is not a tutorial, so if you want to watch how to really make a Swedish pancakes, please don't watch this video. I'm just experimenting. Okay, so first we're going to take our all-purpose flour, very purposeful flour. Okay, and I'm going to take our salt and sugar. I'm going to put it in. Very nice, very technical. And then we're going to whisk it together. Very technical stuff here. Very technical. You know, a lot of famous people came from Sweden. So when I think about it, at the top of my head, we got Pewdiepie, you got Zlatan Ibrahimovic, you got IKEA as well. Oh, IKEA is not a person, but okay. So next. I will whisk the flour mixture. I'll put that to the side. Then we're gonna take our egg and I'm gonna beat the egg, okay? Beat the egg as well. And then I guess we just put our milk as well inside, no? I think it's very obvious that we put our milk in. Okay. Just mix it all together. Okay, and then we take our flour. We put it in as well, but let's put it like sequentially. We don't put all of it. We don't want to make it like clumpy, you know. Okay. Nice, put all that. Okay, there we go. Nice. Now, is this correct? I don't know. Oh, and by the way, thank you so much for the people who stop by to watch my videos. I appreciate every single one of you. The support has been amazing. Okay, so the mixture is done now basically. So now I'm going to like whip out the grill and the pan, and then we are going to start frying them one by one. So I think this will make a lot of pancakes. So let me just transition here. Okay, we got a pan like heated. I'm just gonna put it on maybe low heat. Don't want to make it like too crazy. Put the butter inside. Wait for it to like melt a bit. Are you guys ready for this? Are you guys ready for this? This is the fun part. Okay, this is the fun part. Watch master class. You see this? See these skills? See that? 100 years of training over there. So what we're aiming for is like very thin pancakes, not too thick, but not too thin as well. We need to make it like just nice. Okay, so let's put that inside. Okay, enough. Okay, cool. Okay, and then oh, that's too much butter, but never mind. Okay, here we go. Now this pan is a bit too small. I think I put too much butter on this one, guys. Okay, it's okay. It's a learning process. So what we're aiming for is like brown, golden brown on each side. Okay, we don't want it to be like burnt. Nobody wants it to be burnt. Wait, okay, let's wait. It's a waiting game. Okay, it's precision here, waiting game. Oh, this is so intense. I need to drink water. Wait, so intense. Oh, by the way, new angle. Yeah, new angle. Very, I don't know. It looks more professional, right? I don't know. You got blue light as well behind. Okay.
Whoop. Nice. That's what we want. We want golden brown. But this one I think I put too much butter. So next time don't put too much butter. There you go. First pancake done. Nice. Very nice. Very nice. Okay, let's make the others. Oop. Oh, this one looks good. See this one. Oh yes, this one is a bit looks good. Bro, we're making Swedish pancakes, man. Bro, say something, man. Okay, since we still have a lot more to go, I'll just cut the camera and come back to you when everything is cooked. So, transition. Alright guys, so here it is. The pancakes, Swedish pancakes. So now there's only one thing left to do, which is to add some flavor into the pancakes. So, for that, I have strawberry jam. I think this is a classic. Or maybe you can add in Nutella, maybe. Nutella sounds very, very good. And also, a little dash of whipped cream. You can never go wrong with whipped cream. So I can't wait. Let's go. Okay, so let's take one, as you can see, very thin. Oh yeah. Why is it so hot on camera? Oh no, what is this? Okay, here we go. Okay, there we go. Oh, almost embarrassed myself in front of camera. It's very nice. And spread it onto the pancake. Okay, now we roll it. Now it looks good. There we go. Wow, that looks amazing. And let's keep doing it. Oh, this looks very, very good. Not sure if it's translating on camera, but this looks very, very nice. And now for the final part, we will add some whipped cream. So this will really, really make it very, very pop, very, very beautiful. Oh, there you go. And ladies and gentlemen, that's it. Swedish pancakes done. There you have it, guys. Swedish pancakes. Now, this was very, very simple to make, but it does look very, very exquisite, very posh. So, let's try and eat our masterpiece. Ooh, I feel like a small kid in Sweden. You know, I feel like I'm in Sweden now. Ooh, it's so cold. Ooh, we're in Sweden. For such a simple dish, and this is very, very nice actually. Oh, it's very nice to eat the stuff you make, you know. It's different, it's different. So yeah guys, that's my attempt on making Swedish pancakes. It's crazy how for such simple ingredients, you know, you can make amazing, amazing meals. Thank you Sweden for making such an amazing dish. And thank you guys for watching this video, and I hope to see you guys again in another cooking video or in another vlog soon. Bye bye.